Hi everyone, and welcome to the Orange Bird Science Show, where it features me, Super Andrew 498. Hello everyone, and we're doing a Rube Goldberg project. Has 10 steps. Hope I get a good grade by Orange Bird. Here are the 10 awesome steps. Step 1, tennis ball. This amazing tennis ball will knock or be rolled all the way to the dominoes. Then the dominoes, step 2, the dominoes will move to this tower, and that's step 3. Step 4, another tower collapses. Step 5, 3 towers collapse. Step 6, this ball will roll down and do that part, and it'll roll down and collapse that. Step 7, this ball will roll and drop and roll again and knock down that path, and it'll lead to a dead end. This is step 8. The dominoes will collapse 2 towers. Yeah, that tower and that tower. Step 9, this ball will roll. The dominoes will roll to that and with a cylinder ball. And that, the final step, this is step 9, rolling down. Step 10, the bird will fly. Right there. Okay, this pencil will continue its path if it makes a mistake or fails. I'll use the pencil if it fails. Ready? No distractions, Orange Bird. Okay, here we go. Something is a little bit wrong with these, yeah. Here's a better state. Ha! So that's why 6 is the unlucky number from 1 to 10. Yep, and we tried. Oh well, we did our best. So I think that might be our final thing. Thanks to this awesome pencil. I hope I don't cheat. Let's see. Grade A+. Woohoo! And that is our video. So this is Orange Bird and Super Andrew 498 signing off. Goodbye. And now we'll lead to bloopers.